morning, everyone, and we're here with Martha, and we're treating her for some lower back issues. She is a nail technician, so she sits for long periods of time. So obviously that affects her lower back. Turning your side face. Deep breath in, and roll all the way out. Relax. And here we go, a little lower back adjustment in the pelvis. There. And of course, since she's a nail tech and she works on beautifying other people, her head is always in flexion. She's always looking down, so we want to make sure we adjust this neck and get some good movement in there. Because that can lead to headaches, neck pain, early degeneration of the cervical spine. So we want to avoid that from happening. Little stretch and she's all set. If you guys have any neck pain, back pain, make sure you reach out to us. We provide all kinds of wellness services from chiropractic, functional medicine, acupuncture, massage therapy, Reiki. So we're here to serve all your healthcare needs. Give us a call.
What do I stay if